Happy 125th anniversary! Wow, 125 years? It's amazing! My PES is only 26 years old, and the European PES Network just turned 10 last year. I do hope our successors in 2139 will be able to throw the same party as you are now. Who knows what the PES Network will look like in 125 years? Will we have new members, such as the Western Balkan countries with whom you are already cooperating? Will unemployment still be as low as today? Which skills will be in demand? Will AI have taken over the job matching? What we know is that these and many other topics are on our agenda today, and together with you, the Employment Service of Slovenia and all the colleagues of the European PES Network, we are committed to deliver on them. I wish you many happy returns of this day.